Hey everyone, my new hot air station has finally arrived. Today we're going to unbox it and see how it works. For this kind of work, having the right tool makes a huge difference. And when it comes to installing or removing complex components, a hot air rework station is pretty much essential. Until now, I didn't actually have one, but that just changed. This is the Atten ST-862D hot air station, and I'm hoping it's going to make a lot of my repair work much easier. Inside the box, we get multiple nozzle attachments that let us control and focus the airflow, 8 in total. There's also an ESD wrist strap, the power cord, the holder, and of course the station itself with the hot air gun attached. Let's take a look at the controls. In the center, we have 3 programmable buttons that allow us to save temperature and airflow presets. The maximum temperature goes up to 480 degrees Celsius, which is more than enough for most repair work. To save a preset, you simply hold one of the buttons until you hear a beep. Airflow can be adjusted from 0 to 100%, which according to the manual equals roughly 20 to 120 liters per minute. Both temperature and airflow are saved together in each preset. Overall, the interface is very simple and easy to use, which is exactly what you want on a workbench. There's also an ESD wrist strap, the power cord, the holder, and of course the station itself with the hot air gun attached. Let's test the station with 400 degrees Celsius temperature and 50% airflow. Overall, my first impressions of the Atten ST-862D are very positive. It heats up quickly, cools down fast, and performs exactly as expected. For controller repairs, console work, and other electronics projects, this station is definitely going to earn a permanent spot on my bench. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.